Hello, trading is closed on the 14th of April, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My call from last evening was that unless we had a strong gap up, which we didn't have, that I thought the pattern was negative and that lower prices would print, which they did, pretty soon after the open. These were some mejt targets from the 10th of April. They were satisfied yesterday, but it's significant to see how they provided resistance and support levels today as well. I do think it pays to keep track of what these numbers are even after the targets are satisfied for at least a few days. These are the signals from today. In the afternoon when the market was dropping, mejt said the move down was a false move, that prices would retrace to this thick line on or after this time and that they'd find resistance over that price, and that worked. In the morning, it gave a couple of signals. It said ultimately higher prices would print, which they certainly did, but it also said that this rally is a false move and ultimately lower prices would print. You know, ultimate sell signals are like the gifts that keep on giving. So is an ultimate buy signal. The targets are 2085, most likely by Thursday morning, and 2083.23 with no time limit, but most likely we don't have to wait long. And that's significantly lower than today's close. Well, what are the odds that those numbers will print? I keep track of all the targets, as you know. These are all the targets in the past fiscal year. We have two recent targets from this month. They really aren't too far away. They didn't print within their preferred time frame, but I think it's likely that they will print. We have one target from February of this year. We have 2 days in October with 3 targets, and that's it for a whole year. Tomorrow we're going to drop out this 1818.48 minus, because it'll be a year since that one was targeted. It should print at some time, but it's not really relevant for right now. So this is it. Out of hundreds of targets, we have 1, 2, 3 days in the whole year where they haven't printed, although they didn't always print when you wanted them to, in 2 recent targets, and it's too soon to say if they'll print anytime soon or not. So I think those are reasonable odds. They're certainly in your favor if you want to be short. We have targets of 2085 and 2083.23. Most likely to come pretty soon, Thursday morning, and no specific time limit. And that's the call for today.